Amber.
Thank you. She looks very threatening. Walk all the way through. Not fun. They touch you and they breathe in your mouth. Look, it's the cast of Kick-Ass. There's a little girl with the pink hair, the big dad.
Why would God send people to free video game, folks?
It's a real my friends. This is no Comic-Con.
Do not touch the lava. Oh!
You're so scared. You're so scared you might get arrested because you've been
So you go into one of these cages and they blow money at you. You pick up as much money as possible, and one of 8 people will win.
Upon entering, you'll be given a black bag. Your goal is simple. To collect as much cash as you can in 30 seconds.
Keychain and a card for just participating. A little bit of a complimentary prize there. And now he's counting my money. Doesn't look quite as big as that pile. Do you think you beat me?
I don't know the nominations.
Oh, okay. I have the advantage. This money's familiar to me. There's no second place prizes there. That's gonna do it for Comic-Con, ladies and germs. Thank you so much for watching. I feel like a pile of shit.